Hi, I'm Priya, Customer Success Manager here at Hut6, and in this new series, I'm going to show you how to run a successful phishing campaign. Welcome to Recipes for Success. For today's recipe, we're going to be looking at measuring the organization's security awareness with a simulated phishing campaign. The ingredients you need are access to a phishing simulator, a campaign strategy, and assistance from your internal IT department. Here's one I did earlier. Simulated phishing campaigns can give you a clear indication on whether or not the security awareness training you are providing your organisation is resonating with your users. Step 1. Establish your technical criteria for your phishing simulator. Ask yourself questions like, what sort of attacks do you want to send out? What metrics do you want to collect? How customizable do they need to be? What permissions do you need to seek to phish your staff? And will you be delivering on-the-spot training? Step 2. Before starting a phishing campaign, defining what metrics you are looking to achieve from this simulation will help you plan how the campaign will run. You should define what good looks like within your organisation and what changes you want to bring about. Ultimately, you want people to identify, avoid, and report phishing attacks. This should be communicated clearly to your people in advance and after the campaign so they understand the purpose of the exercise. In order to gain insights from your campaign, you need to carefully select the templates, user groups, and a schedule to test a specific hypothesis. Use the results to inform your security awareness training going forward. Step 3. Ensure that the emails will arrive successfully with your users by whitelisting your domains and coordinating with IT. Work with your internal IT department to gather information on any phishing emails that may have been reported. This will help guide you on what phishing templates can be used within your campaign. Cybercrime can be just as distressing as a physical crime. You should carefully consider the ethics of phishing your people and whether it's a right fit for your organisation. We believe simulated phishing can be a useful educational tool as long as your users do not feel blamed or caught out by the attack. Work closely with your chosen security awareness provider to make your phishing campaign a success. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. Comment below on what you might like to see next. Bye!